Uh, I will share my screen first of all. Okay. Today, basically, I am going to discuss on control statement. And among the control statement, I'll be focusing on if and if else statement. These are the two statements, if and if else statements. So let us see. Let me give you the first of all a list of control statements that are used in C language. The first control statement is if, another control statement is if else, one more is for, do while do, switch case, break, continue, go to, and many more. So I have given here you the list of control statements that are very frequently used in C programming. And today I am going to talk on if and if else statements. Along with the discussion on if and if else, I am going to give you 4 or 5 programs where how if as well as if else is used. Okay, let us see. Here I am giving if statement, here I am giving if else statement. So you try to understand the the basic difference between these statements. So see the syntax. Syntax means how it is, how is it, it's a grammar, how it is format. If logical expression. Now logical expression means yesterday I told you A less than B. Its answer is yes or no, true or false. A greater than or equal to B. Its answer is yes or no, true or false. So a logical expression is the expression that has its output value either true or false. If logical expression, and if this logical expression is true, then we are going to perform this part of action. This is the syntax of if statement. What it means is if logical expression is false, then we don't have to care about it. We have to take care only if logical expression is true. Under that case, our course of action is this. So in short, what is the conclusion? Only one course of action when logical expression is true. No action when logical expression is false. Now see here, if else statement. Let me take 5 to 10 minutes break. Okay, I hope all of you are with me now. I have discussed this if statement. In case of if statement, if logical expression is true, you have to perform a one set of action, a one course of action, but you don't have to bother if logical expression is false. Now let us come to if else statement. Once again, here it is the logical expression. Now if this logical expression is true, you are supposed to perform this course of action. Yes, Arati Kadu.
Sorry,
Arti
sir.
Kadu.
Sorry, sir.
Arti Kadu has raised her hand. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. If logical expression is true, you are supposed to perform this set of action. And if logical expression is false, you are going to perform this kind of action. So if part is devoted for true case and else part is devoted for false case. Here only one course of action under the case of true. Forget about false. Here you don't have to forget the false because you have a distinct course of action under false case. So one course of action when logical expression is true. Second, distinct action when logical expression is false. So that is the difference between if and if else statement. You have to decide whether I want to take action only under a true case or I want to take care of both true and false. Okay. Now I will give you some programs. See, this is the program for even numbers. Give me a number. I want to tell you that whether it is a even number or odd number. And this computer will do this. So let us see, as usual, I have started with include statement, stdio.h, conio.h, void main. I have declared here integer a, CLR, you know its a purpose, clear the screen. Now please enter the value of a. It is through keyboard and %d means it is integer type. So this is all usual data up to data entry. Now this is important. I want even number. If it is even, I want to declare even. If not even, I don't have to bother about it. Okay. So if, now see this I have explained you last time. A%2. That means when you divide a by 2, it will give you the remainder. If you divide a by 2, it will give you the remainder. And you know that even numbers are those numbers which all are divided by 2, which all are divisible by 2. That means every even number when divided by 2 does not give any remainder, remainder is 0. So if A%2, now see this is not equal to, equal to. I told you in the beginning, equal to is for comparison. Means if this remainder is equal to 0. Now if remainder is equal to 0, yes, it is a even number. And so I am printing here, printf given number %d is an even number. I am sorry, I want to add here after comma a. Okay. But anyway, given number %d means a is an even number. It is declared by this. Now see here, I have given here curly bracket, curly bracket, curly bracket, curly bracket, curly bracket, curly bracket, and here I have not given. It is for the simple reason, when I have two or more statements, I must club them in a curly bracket. If I have single statement, then you may or you may not give the curly bracket. That is the simple thing only. So this is the program where I want to take care of only if part, else part is not important. Let us come to another program for even or odd number. So here I don't want to define only even number. I want to separate odd numbers also. So as usual, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main, int a, clr scr, printf enter the value of a, scanf and all those things. This part is important. Now I have used here if else, because I want to separate even numbers as well as odd numbers. So once again, a%2 means remainder of a when divided by 2. If it is 0, equal to 0, remainder is 0. If yes, then printf given number %d is an even number. If not, come to the else case. If not, come to the else case, and there I have to declare that the number is odd number. So printf hash \n given number %d as an odd number, get ch. Okay, so this is the if statement program based on if statement only. This is the program based on if else statement. Let us come to another program. Now this is a program for maximum of two numbers. Now see the logic of maximum. If a less than b, if number a is smaller than number b, then maximum among these two is b. And if a is greater than b, then maximum among a and b is a. This is the simple logic. We will use this logic only in our program. So let us see. Hash include stdio.h, conio.h, void main. Now here I want to take two numbers, a and b, int ab, clr scr. Printf enter the value of a through keyboard, integer part, integral value. Printf enter the value of b, integral value. So this is the up to data entry part. Let us come here. If a less than b, this is the logical expression. Either a is less than b or a may not be. So if a less than b, this is true. If this is true, then printf maximum is %d and it will take the value b. So maximum will be b. So we are in this case. If this condition is false, that means if a is greater than b, if a is greater than b, in fact, else part is not only a greater than b, but it is a greater than or equal to b. It will take care of equality also. In that case, printf maximum is %d and which is a. So this is the this is the program which will use if else statement, get ch. So see, this is if statement, if else statement, program on if only, program on if else, and this is the program on if else statement. Now, based on this if and if else statement, you try to write few more programs. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can ask about this. If you have any
Hello,
doubt
sir.
about these programs, you are free to ask.
Sir,